Halo, apa kabar semuanya? Kali ini kita akan mereaksi salah satu reaktor dari luar negeri, tepatnya negara Amerika Serikat. Ia adalah seorang pelatih vokal nih, masih muda dan ganteng, yang bernama Justin Bieber. Nah, pasti pada kenal nih, yang kali ini sang reaktor mereaksi video Putri Ariani pada saat di babak Kristoso Amerika Got Talent 2023 lalu. Nah, Putri menyanyikan lagu Run berduet dengan penyanyi Inggris Leona Lewis. Nah, sebelumnya, bagaimana pendapat Anda? Ayo mainkan jari Anda di kolom komentar. Iya.
Sing it one last time for you. Then we really have to go. You've been the only thing that's right.
Gosh, I don't mean to pause it this early, but let's replay that. Listen to this little flip into more of like a head voice coordination. That sounded so good.
To go. You've been the only thing that's right in our lifetime. And I can barely look at you, but every single time I do, I know we'll make it anyway.
Beautiful balanced resonance in her voice. Even notice when she does more of a nasal consonant, like an ng. Notice that the resonance doesn't shift. Sounds very even. A lot of people, when they're singing different vowels, different words, it's like the resonance all of a sudden shifts all over the place when they're singing, and that's something that makes singing way more difficult. You typically don't want that.
Light up, as if you have the choice.
Oh, you better sing!
If you cannot hear my voice,
Dang.
I'll be right beside you.
Oh my gosh, the agility. Like each one of those notes is so spot on. That's crazy. It's crazy. God. Oh my goodness.
Putri Ariani and Leona.
Oh my gosh, it leaves you like speechless. It's like Hayes is like, just I'm out of here after that one. Like, what do you even say to a performance like that? You know, where it's so spot on. She's so in it emotionally. Those two sounded so good together. It's the power of an amazing voice, you know, and how inspiring and how cool to think that she can just basically just come up. I mean, I'd actually heard some of her covers before, just with reacting on YouTube and getting requests. I had watched her before she went on to America's Got Talent. She covered, I forget which which song that she did, but I was blown away. I mean, it was amazing. But how cool that she can go onto a show like America's Got Talent and just blow up, right? And it's not an overnight success by any means, but you know what I mean, where it's like when you put the time in, for her, she like put the time in, she dedicated herself, she got so amazing at singing, and then once she has that skill, it's like there's shows, there's different opportunities, there's different things that can just explode her into a mass in like she can then get a mass amount of influence. Like it can just expose her to a mass audience, I guess is what I was trying to say. And then she can completely transform her life, right? Like now she just has a mass influence, and there's so much that she can do with that. There's so many different ways that she can, even flip that for her career moving forward. And it just makes me so happy. And it's like, no matter what culture you come from, no matter what country you're born in, language you speak, it's like music connects us all. And it can give us all equal opportunities, especially nowadays with social media. And that's what's really cool, is it's like we can all reach the world with our voice. Like, these are opportunities that were not available to past generations. And